Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So there is an experiment we will learn. Some plants like crotons have leaves that have green as well as non-green parts. The green areas have chlorophyll while the non-green areas do not. Place a croton leaf on a piece of a paper and run a pencil along its edges. So in this picture we can see that this is a croton leaves. Place this leaf on a paper. Then draw the edges of the leaf and you will get a outline of the leaf. Then carefully draw the green area of this leaf. You will get its outline. Now carefully draw the green and non-green areas within the leaf. Bleach the leaf and test it for the presence of starch. It is observed that the areas that were green had starch and thus turned blue-black. The iodine solution did not change color in the area that were non-green. These areas did not have chlorophyll. Thus photosynthesis did not take place in the non-green area. Then bleach the leaf and test it for the presence of starch. Then pour some iodine solution on the leaf. You can see that the green part became blue-black in the presence of starch because this part make food in the leaf. But the non-green part did not turn into blue-black because it did not have starch in it, as it did not have chlorophyll in it. So it proves that without chlorophyll, leaf cannot make food. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis will not happen in the leaf. In some plants like cabbage and lettuce, the extra food is stored in the leaves. We eat these leaves as vegetables. So we eat cabbages and lettuce as vegetables because extra food is stored in the leaves. Although a plant's flower, fruits and seeds play no role in the preparation of food, in many plants extra food is stored in this part. Fruit, flowers cannot make food for the plant, but extra food of the plant is stored in this various part. So we eat these parts as our food. Student, hope you got this topic very carefully. Now come to this page number 31. Fill in the blanks. Number E and F. Today we will do the rest of the question. Question number E. Some plants like crotons have leaves with green as well as non-green areas. F. A plant's extra food is changed into starch and stored. Come to this part, fun time. Rearrange the letters to make words that you have learned in this chapter. So we have to rearrange this and make a word with meaning. R-O-O-T root, V-E-I-N vein, C-E-L-L cell, B-L-E-A-C-H-I-N-G bleaching. So the letters in the circles will make a word. So this has make a word that is green. G-R-E-E-N green. Chlorophyll is what makes a leaf green. So student, I have done this for you. So do this in your book. Okay. Hope today's topic is clear. If you have any problem, you can call me. See you in the next class. Bye bye students.